What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by PicsArt, and they are a full-on photo editing application with every feature you could possibly dream of. And as you guys can see, here are a variety of things that other people have created using this. And the tool I'm going to show you guys today is known as the Dispersion tool, which is one of their most popular tools. And as you guys can see, this was a photo created by this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this right here, and here is a picture that I also just created with PicsArt, but we're not going to be using that. We're going to just choose here. Well, let me show you guys all the options here. They have templates, everything from love to quotes to even memes. How cool is that? We have grids, we have cameras, we have live stickers, drawings, backgrounds, free photos, and even colored backgrounds. But what we're taking a look at today is grids, because I'm going to show you guys some of my epic aerial cinematography that I've been shooting with the drone. This is a recent trip to San Diego, and we're simply going to choose a bunch of these, and let's see which ones look the most epic. I'm going to choose, alright, that looks awesome. So I'm going to select those and let it render out real quick. I know I don't want to play that game. And here you go. Here's a really insane design. This looks epic as heck, and you can choose a ratio, borders, and backgrounds. Let's say we don't want that background, we want this one. I'm thinking a really interesting background here would be maybe a texture. Let's choose this particular texture. This looks cool. I like it. That looks like something I would actually hang on the wall. Now, as I said, I was going to show you guys the Dispersion tool, which we'll get to in just a second. First of all, I want to show you guys all the different things they have here. Everything from callouts to frames to shape masks. So, as you can see, these are all their different shape masks. They have lens flares. Look how many different lens flares they have. It's amazing. I might even throw one on here just for kicks. I know it's not going to look that great, but whatever. And you can choose where it ends up directly depending on where you want it. So, I'm just going to make it go down like that. Hit apply. You can also have shape masks. You can draw certain things, just a normal mask, the border, brushes, fit, add a full-on photo, a text, a cutout, stickers, and beautify. So for all you guys who take a lot of selfies, how about girls who take a lot of selfies, you can go and do blemish fixes, skin tones, hair color, eye color, and even whiten your teeth. That's right, that's a thing. So it's pretty awesome. But the thing I want to show you guys is, of course, their tools. So you can do things like shape crops and to stretch and adjust and curve things and change the perspective on your images. But the main thing that a lot of people want to do is add this epic effect called dispersion, which is the thing that I started this video off with. So here's your little tool, and you want to take it and you want to place it exactly. All right, I messed that up, so I'm going to hit undo real quick. And you want to place it wherever you want to have the image kind of break off the screen. So I want it to break off here, and you can change the size again. I'm going to change it like that. Oh, wait, messed up again. Let's do that. Alright, and I'm going to hit next, and let's see what it does to my image. Look at that. It's as if all the images are breaking together and entering that main center image, and it adds a cool little tile effect to make it so it kind of, flows well. And you can decrease the size, and here's my other favorite thing. You just take the eraser tool, and get this, you could just erase parts. So if you think there's a little bit too much going on up there, or a bit too little going down here, you're pretty much set in terms of that. How cool is that? And you can go ahead and change the size of these. So if you want to increase the size to something massive, there, you could do that. Or maybe you want to change the direction. So you want to choose, that looks dumb, but it is possible. My point is, depending on whatever you want, it's fully customizable. You can have it fade in, fade out if it's a bit too much. And last but not least, you can have the effect over here. So maybe you want the center of focus to get the most brightness. There's color burn effect, maybe this effect. Let's see if any of these actually make this look nicer. Oh, that one did. Let's do overlay. And I'm thinking this is pretty awesome. Like, I want to keep it like this. Let's choose this a little bit more. And that's my final image. That's an edit. I went from that to that. How cool is that? So all in all, guys, go ahead and check out PicsArt. There's a trillion different things you can do. It's all on mobile, and it's really, really awesome. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.